Blessed morning everyone, another day, another verse of the day. So ayan, meron po pala tayong today's verse ngayon.
Sing to God, sing praise of His name, extol Him who rides on the clouds, rejoice before Him, His name is the Lord. A father to the fatherless, a defender of widows, is God in His holy dwelling. Psalm chapter 68, verse 4 to 5.
So that's all for today. So sana po yung ating verse for today, makapagbibigay po siya ng enlightenment sa atin sa buong araw na ito. And ayan po, kung nakaabot po kayo hanggang dulo ng ating video, huwag pong kalimutan mag-follow and subscribe sa ating mga social media platform and mag-like na din po. And mag-comment down below kayo kung taga saan kayo para naman malaman natin kung saan naabot itong video na to. That's all for today. Ingat po tayong lahat and huwag pong kalimutan magdasal. Spread the word of God. See you again on our next video. God bless us all. Bye!